So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to undo in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Microsoft Planner. From there you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, portfolios, so you can see other stuff as well, like creating a new plan. Now in order to create or rather undo something that you've done, it's as simple as just clicking on Control Z. So usually there isn't a straight way to click on undo, but let's say I want to mark this task as complete and I've just realized that isn't complete and you need to see some other aspects. I just click on Control Z and you can see here it says undo of last action task percent complete changed to 100. Okay, fine. You can do that with basically anything. The main thing that you want to use it for usually is for the if you delete tasks and you don't want to delete them or you've done by accident. So I'm just gonna show you this as well. So if it says here press Ctrl Z to undo, or you can just click on right here the button to undo and it's going to give you the task back, or whatever you've done it's going to revert it. So you need to click on either Control Z, or if this notification appears, just click on the undo button that shows up right there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos about MS Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.